Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tips and tricks. Number one, how to align point on sketch. So I will go to sketch and choose the top plan. As example, we can draw rectangle and the next I will draw circle. Now if you want to align this circle with the rectangles, we can use the horizontal and vertical constraint. You can click these icons to use the horizontal constraint. I will click from the center points into middle points of this line. And the next I will use the vertical constraint, can select again the center points with this middle points line. Now if you move the circle, it will be automatically resized. And also you can move the rectangle will be automatically resized and then aligns into the center of the circle. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to align point on sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.